If you've ever felt like you should be better with money by now, I want to invite you to drop the shame and start where you are. You're starting now. Improving your relationship with money isn't just about spreadsheets or strategies. It's about building self-trust. It's about feeling safe, seen, and in charge, financially and emotionally. So let's walk through what that actually looks like. The first step is getting honest about what's happening. This isn't about judgment, it's about clarity. Look at your income, look at your spending, not to punish yourself, but to understand yourself. Where is your money going? What's driving those choices? Do you need a fancy app or don't you? Will a notebook just do? Just track it for a week or two and notice what you learn. This is where most women stop because they think clarity means criticism, but it doesn't. It means compassion. The second thing you need to do is decide what you actually want. Not what you should want or not what other people tell you you want, but what you want. Do you want to build an emergency fund? Do you want to pay off credit card? Do you want to finally start investing? Pick one thing and don't try to do everything at once. Break it down. Make it real. Because without a vision, every financial decision just feels like chaos. But when you know what matters, it's easier to say no to the rest of the noise. The third thing you want to do is build a budget. And this is the part where people tense up. So let me just say it clearly. You can't build a life you love on a budget you hate. So we want to build one that honors you. If your budget feels like punishment, you won't stick to it. But if it feels like a plan that supports the life you want, it becomes a tool for freedom. So build something realistic. Include fun money. Automate your savings, and yes, put yourself on your budget. The next thing you want to do is face your debt without shame. Debt is not a character flaw. If you have high interest debt, make a plan. Whether you use the snowball method or the avalanche method, the strategy matters, but it matters less than your consistency. Consistency is key. You can also look into consolidation if it helps you breathe a little easier. The point is, you're not stuck. You get to start now and you get to start making progress, one choice at a time. The next thing is to think long term, even if you're just getting by. Investing can feel very far away if you're still trying to pay bills, but it's never too early or too late to start. If your employer offers a retirement match, take it. Make it a goal to get to it. If you can automate even $20 a month, do it. Compound interest is quite magic, and small steps today become your security tomorrow. Step number 6 is to build habits that support your future self. Live below your means, pay your bills on time, wait 24 hours before buying something that isn't essential that you didn't already plan on buying. And this one's big. Forgive yourself. Forgive yourself for not knowing all of this sooner. You've never been taught this, and it's time to figure it out. So read, ask questions, take a course, take one action a week that builds your financial self-respect. And don't forget to update your plan as your life changes, because it will, and so will you. Everything is dynamic. Step 7, don't do it alone. Talk to people you trust, find an accountability buddy, or work with someone who makes you feel safe, not judged or lectured. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do is say, I need help, and that's not weakness. That's wisdom. You're allowed to want peace with your money. You're allowed to stop hiding. You're allowed to stop avoiding and blaming yourself for not knowing sooner. You can start today without shame, without guilt, without any lecture. Just you choosing to build a relationship with money that feels honest, doable, and empowering. And that's what changes everything.